At school. Lucas goes to school every day of the week. He has many subjects to go to each school day: English, art, science, mathematics, gym, and history. His mother packs a big backpack full of books and lunch for Lucas. His first class is English, and he likes that teacher very much. His English teacher says that he is a good pupil, which Lucas knows means that she thinks he is a good student. His next class is art. He draws on paper with crayons and pencils and sometimes uses a ruler. Lucas likes art. It is his favorite class. His third class is science. This class is very hard for Lucas to figure out, but he gets to work with his classmates a lot, which he likes to do. His friend, Kyle, works with Lucas in science class, and they have fun. Then Lucas gets his break for lunch. He sits with Kyle while he eats. The principal, or the headmaster as some call him, likes to walk around and talk to students during lunch to check that they are all behaving. The next class is mathematics, which most of the students just call math. Kyle has trouble getting a good grade in mathematics, but the teacher is very nice and helpful. His fourth class is gym. It is just exercising. History is his last class of the day. Lucas has a hard time staying awake. Many lessons are boring, and he is very tired after doing gym. Days of the week. There are 7 days of the week, or uniquely named 24-hour periods designed to provide scheduling context and make time more easily measurable. Each of these days is identifiable by specific plans, moods, and tones. Monday is viewed by many to be the worst day of the week, as it marks the return to work following the weekend, when most full-time employees are given 2 days off. Most students attend school in the morning and return home in the afternoon, usually from about 8 until 3 or 7 until 2, and most workers go to work in the morning and return home in the evening, usually from 9 to 5 or 8 to 4. Tuesday is the second day of the week, and is in many ways similar to Monday. Not a whole lot of changes, schedule-wise, between Tuesday and Monday. Most individuals go to school or work and return home to watch television, play video games, make plans with friends, spend time with family, read, or engage in a similar leisure-related activity. Wednesday is the third day of the week, and serves as the middle of the work week. Some individuals refer to Wednesday as hump day, as once its workday is complete, employees will have passed the workweek hump, and will be on the downturn, as only 2 days on the job will remain in the week. Thursday is the fourth day of the week, and is viewed favorably by many, as it's rather close to the end of the work week. Friday is the fifth day of the week, and marks the end of the work week and school week for the vast majority of employees and students. By Friday afternoon/evening, most students/workers cannot wait to leave and go home, as they won't have to report back to school/work until Monday. Saturday is perhaps the most highly regarded day of the week. Because Sunday follows it, and there is presumably no work or school to attend, for most individuals, everyone is free to stay out, or awake, until late at night, having fun with plans or other leisure-related activities. To be sure, Saturday is generally thought of as a day to partake in hobbies that couldn't otherwise be enjoyed during the regular week. Sunday is the final day of the week, and is used by most as a day of rest. Fewer late-night plans are made on Sundays, compared to Saturdays, as most individuals have to wake up for work or school on Monday morning.